Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one does have an illuminated LED star up front in the grille. 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside we got a blind spot assist. This one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you Harman Kardon sound system, armor seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls also include smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, our media display, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 41,238 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.